Hi everyone, it's me Royal, and today we're gonna be rating some skins in Wildcraft. For each rating, I always have a special reason why I like it. Alright, enjoy. Okay, 8 out of 10. I love this skin because it reminded me when I first started Wildcraft. Even for my learned account, Sparky account, I call it. I also like this one because it's like a nice tone of color, and it's like for people who like more like a brownish gingery wolf, and you get it free. And this skin is totally fit for people who don't like so much like gray skins. Okay, I'll give this a 3 out of 10. I just don't like the black grayish color. It gives me nightmares. Okay? Nice winter style. This wolf is very wintry white. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. It's pretty nice. Okay. 2 out of 10. I just don't like black. Dark deaths are bad. Okay, I just don't like dark deaths because this is probably the last thing I see for my death. Okay. 2 out of 10. I don't really like this skin, okay? It's just my opinion. I'm not hurting other people's feelings. Nice dark gingery color. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Pretty nice coloring there, TRG. Nice gingery color. I just like it, but I don't use it all the time. Oh boy, I love this. 10 out of 10. It reminds me of that character called Mom who told me how to play Wildcraft on my Sparky account and Tiger account, which my Sparky account is my learner account, and my Tiger account is my pro account, which is my main account that I use. This is my this is probably nice gingery color that was used in Roaring Danger, where your mother just went boom, hurt after the war with the bear. Anyways, it's a nice color for an evil character. I don't exactly know how to, rate this or explain how this is good for an evil character. But yeah, I think I'll give this a 5 out of 10 for an evil character. Okay. If they added a white patch to the chest there, then it would be my favorite because I like dangerous wolves. I need to watch that video of why hunters stay away from wolves with a white patch on their black fur. I need to watch that video. Ugh. 1 out of 10. The disgusting yellow teeth. Dude, do you ever wash your teeth? This is the same as the one I just did. Alright, 5 out of 10. I like the nice blue color eyes. Oh, it's pretty. Okay. 6 out of 10. This one's a bit better because you can have any eye color you want, but for this one, you can only have the blue eye color. Alright, moving on to the Wild Club ones. Hmm. 8 out of 10. I like the nice detail, gray detail, snowy. Okay, that's enough. 4 out of 10. I do not like this one. It's more for boys. Can I make the same as this, but for a girlier style? Alright. Okay. Alright. 9 out of 10. I like it. It's a floof. It's the same as this one, but more fluffy. Aw, man. This one's extinct. This one's a extinct animal. I forgot the name, but yeah. I'll rate this one a 5 out of 10 since it's a common skin that most people like to use. Oh gosh. 80 out of 10. This is an epic skin that all pro mans will use. Cool galaxy skin. Rating will be 8 out of 10. It's not a sun wolf, guys. It's not a sun wolf. It's a spark wolf. A winged spark wolf demon, because they have those little horns. I'll rate this a 99 out of 10, which is probably my most favorite, because of the nice golden detail. And this one's a 70 out of 10. I love the blue detail, but this one's way better because it's golden and shiny. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Bye!